What's up fellow Grey Mains, here's how you can get ODECK'S Protector Plate Cloak in Crimson Desert. Now I'm sorry to say this, but other than its 3 points of defense and good aesthetics, this cloak has nothing else to offer. No extra buffs, no Abyss gear slots. But it'll make for a complete look if you're hunting for the ODECK'S Protector set. You'll find this cloak in the east side of Payloon. Just take a good look at my waypoint. I can't really add any additional guides, but it's to the east of Payloon's letter P and A. If we zoom in, it's just around this stray path. I'm going to warn you, this is deep inside enemy territory, and if you haven't progressed enough into the story yet, it'll be a bit difficult. When you get there, look for this side of the wall with the broken cart. Behind it is a ladder that leads to a secret tunnel into the enemy camp. Keep going down the tunnels and defeat the enemies you encounter. When you reach the end of the stairs and into this part of the hideout, turn left and keep walking until the end of this path. On that corner, you'll find a hole on the floor. Climb down that hole. And to the left of the ladder is another corner where you'll find the plate cloak just lying there on the ground. Pick it up and you've got yourself a new stylish cloak. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.